Hi babies, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome. You are highly appreciated. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a everyday makeup routine. Very easy and simple. And as you can see, I started off by doing my baby hairs and applying my primer. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Ready Primer. And if you are an oily person like I am, this is great for you. It definitely is oil free. But with my damp beauty blender, I am applying my Lancome Teint Idole Wear Foundation, and I am in the color 465 Suede C. And I am just going to distribute that everywhere until I feel my hyperpigmentation is covered to my desire. And I honestly love this foundation. I've been wearing it for like 3 weeks straight. It does not break me out. I do not get overly oily. It is great. Taking that LA Girl Pro Concealer, I am in the color Fawn, and I am going to conceal my eyebrows before I even touch them, just to create a more natural looking eyebrow. And you guys, just a little trick that I feel like works great for me. Instead of using a makeup brush to apply this, I apply it straight from the tube, and it lasts a lot longer because since this is a cheaper since this is a cheaper concealer, it does dry out a lot faster. So yeah, just a little trick I learned. And I am just bringing some color back into my face, and I am applying that everywhere I feel I need to conceal. Back in with that damp beauty blender. This is obviously my bestie. I am going to blend my life away because we do not want any flashback in 2018, okay? And as you can see, I did not apply any to my forehead because I like to take the extra concealer that is on the beauty blender and just bring that up versus creating a large extra light patch on my forehead. I do not like that. So just blend your life away. This is the MAC eyebrow pencil in Spiked, and I am creating literally very eyebrow like strokes, very light, just to fill in those gaps. I am not drawing on a eyebrow at all, just filling them in. This is also MAC's Mineralizing Powder, and this is in the color Deep Dark, and I am just using this to set everywhere I did not conceal, just so that my foundation stays all day long. With the Laura Mercier, I'm going to go ahead and try this loose setting powder everywhere I did conceal, just so this doesn't move also. Another trick, if you puff your face out like that and apply this in your lash lines, like really get in there, it lasts a lot longer. A lot. And I do not bake. I go ahead and sweep that right away. I do not like the bake look. So yes, sweep away. And then I'm going to drown in this Mario Badescu. I'm pretty sure I'm butchering his name, but this is just the rose water setting spray. Drown in it, honey. This is also MAC's Basian. Honestly, this is a very old blush, but I am using this today, which I rarely ever use. But yes, this is in the color Basian, and I'm going to blend that out. Also taking MAC's Gold Deposit, and I am going to glaze my life away. I want to look like a delicious donut, obviously, and I'm going to apply some underneath my eyebrow also. honestly, you guys, this is like my favorite mascara. I've been using this since like 9th grade. But this is L'Oreal's Telescopic in the color Very Black. And I like to apply this to make my falsies stick better and blend better. Another trick, ladies, if you use anything that is like very tacky, like this is my blot pad I use to blot away the grease, it holds my eye a lot easier for me to apply my falsies to my lash line. And also it reduces you removing your makeup versus using your finger. And I'm going to squeeze those bad boys onto my lash line. And these falsies are two. They're both from Ardell. One is wispy and the other one is so wispy. But yes, I'm just going to fix those to my lash line. Back in with that L'Oreal mascara, I'm just going to apply some to my bottom lash line. And this is the Wet&Wild mascara in Plump. Back in with that gold deposit, I'm just going to apply some to my inner corner eye. You guys, my daughter tore this freaking lipstick up. But this is MAC's matte lipstick in Teddy. It's my absolute favorite. Literally the best brown that they have. And then I'm going to apply some gloss from MAC. And that is it, ladies. Thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. This is a very easy, simple, everyday makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will list all these products in the description box below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you, babies.